not for me. It's for you. You're making her pretty. So pretty, Charity. Whoa, is that your headband? Should we fix it? Yeah, let's fix it. There we go. Is that better? Whoa, not moving. Oh, that. Yeah? Can you put it on your head? Oh, where are you going? To the kitchen? See you later.
Come here, Munchkin. Munchkin! Charity. Come here, baby. Come here.
Whoa.
Whoa.
What happened?
Come here, baby.
Oh, what happened?
Come here, mommy.
You want Daddy? Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, baby. My baby.